This is Dr. Shealy-Sorin, Medical Director of the Shealy-Sorin Wellness Institute. And today, conversation topic is among my favorites, stress. Stress is the food supply for autoimmune disease and pretty much every single disease in the human body. Did you know that anywhere from 85 to 90% of all illness is actually stress-related, unopposed stress, not acute stress, but chronic stress. Stress is among the leading players in the propagation and proliferation of the physical and psychological illness. Stress should not be overlooked when talking about aspects such as anti-aging, overall health, and how to heal from degenerative and autoimmune conditions. Whether the stress comes up from daily pressures to any variety of frustrations, jeopardy to our overall wellness may lay in the balance. Do not, I repeat, do not ever let it be said that we're not the drivers of the bus. Each and every person is responsible for their own life, health, and wellness, and the consequences of their decisions. In many ways, the control of our own well-being is a function of how we manage our lives, loves, and passions. Or in other words, as I usually say, do what you love what you do, and enjoy it. But in order for that to happen, you got to have good health. This can be positive or negative, but it's all in the perception. One way or another, if it's left unchecked, stress can acutely or chronically devastate your state of overall wellness, the most important factor in your entire life. More than money, more than anything else. Mental stress is known to be responsible, if not contributing, to the cause of many illnesses, including physical and physiological, heart disease, digestive disorders, arthritis, and diabetes are just a few. If you want evidence, you don't have to look any further than in the 50s and 60s with the work of Dr. Selye, who has done research on thousands upon thousands of people and has had a demonstration of this without fail. Mental disorders are also the leading cause of disability in the United States, especially ages 15 to 44, but also other ages as well. And many suffer from more than one condition at one time. And if you look even further, the treatment of the mental conditions is actually useless drugs that do not work and are additive. And sometimes there's people who are on 10, 20, or even more chronic medications that do not do anything of value and cause harm. Psychological stress can interfere with every physiological function, including digestion, and it causes lack of sleep, fatigue, and even weight loss again. Not to mention lifestyle issues, of course, lifestyle is the foundation of health. Stress can also increase the need for the essential nutrients of all types. In other words, the more stress you have, the more need for the nutrients, such as proteins, complex carbohydrates, fatty acids, in other words, macronutrients, but also micronutrients, such as minerals, vitamins, and other components. Conversely, lack of sufficient nutrition or phytonutrients will indeed elevate both physical and psychological stress levels. Stress can be of very different varieties, and nutritional stress is one of the worst, one of the most damaging ones of them all. But enough of the stress. Now let's talk about solutions. Let's talk about the code of life. It's time for you to begin your own journey with this amazing health revelation ever discovered, the Code of Life book. And the Code of Life operates within each and every one of us, within each and every cell. This wonderful news is that we can all benefit from this astounding discovery. Join our Autoimmune Health Secrets, members only, Facebook group. You will learn how to change you and your loved ones' overall health and improve the quality of your life. Remember, you are the driver of your own bus in terms of health, wellness, and you are in charge of your health. You're also responsible for any decisions that you make, but you also have unlimited potential and power to do the right thing. Blessings. Dr. Shealy-Sorin.